Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti Q50 Luxe. This one, of course, is the all-wheel drive, finished here in majestic white over stone. Absolutely gorgeous color combo. Sticker price of $46,460. Yeah, that's pretty round. Oh man. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it. Bose Performance Series speakers. Heated seats, sunroof. Oh yeah. Let me get a little bit of heat in here. Oh, that's why. Oh, that's it. That's the good stuff. It is cold. 33 degrees out. All right, let's go for a drive. You know, I don't know if I've officially announced it, but I am working at Infiniti of Nashua now. Obviously, if you're watching this on the Infiniti of Nashua YouTube channel, it kind of makes sense. But regardless, the reason I joined the team with Infiniti is because I love the brand. I love Infiniti, always have, always will. I was a huge fan of the G35. The G37, of course. And I just always thought Infiniti was a great value for money, and I was always surprised why more people didn't buy Infiniti, and that still stands. For the money, this is a better car than the 3 Series. I said it. Yeah, you can lease a 3 Series for next to nothing. Hey, that's pretty ironic, because, oh, that's a 5 Series. Yeah, you can they lease those out for whatever, but at the end of the day, it's the badge that raises the price. And in the back of your mind, you're like, oh, I have a BMW, so it's better. That's not the case. You get more power here than your base 3 Series, which, remember, this is a entry-level Q50. You get heated seats, you get leather, you get more power, turbocharged V6. Man, I just don't know why more people don't do this. The materials in here feel much better than the German entry-level cars. I don't get it. So many people are stuck on the badge that's on the hood or the grille, and they don't think about their purchases. Now, even after just stepping out of the Red Sport, let's try the power here. Only 300. I could tell you right now, this doesn't feel like 300. And I am hard pressed to tell the difference, except at the very higher RPMs, the Red Sport has a little bit more shove. But I've been talking to the general manager of INFINITI of Nashua. Hi, Diana. I've been talking to her, and we agree that these cars aren't making 300 horsepower. It just doesn't make sense. These are making probably 300 wheel. That's what we think. We think these are criminally underrated. These are definitely underrated for the power. Between the two of us, we've decided that it's probably much more likely to be 330, give or take. I think I see police lights. I don't know what's going on. This is weird. Everybody's hitting the brakes for what? And there's a car backing up on the freeway. What is going on? What is going on? There's just a car reversing on the freeway. There's police everywhere. I don't get it. I do have to say, I love the gauge cluster in these cars. It looks awesome. The font is perfect. The lighting is great. Yeah, I'm a big fan of these. I will say, some people don't like this 7-speed. In previous years, I agreed, just wasn't very good. I don't know if they've played around with the tuning for 2022, but it just seems a bit better than I remember it. I mean, I've driven a lot of Q50s at this point. I should say I do all the inventory photos, and of course, you know, if we ever do dealer swaps, I drive them. I drive a lot of Q50s. So I've had a lot of experience with this 7-speed, and this one just feels a little bit sharper. I don't know, it's weird. I don't remember hearing anything that they revised tuning for 2022, but I wouldn't be surprised if they did. Then again, this one's a new car, so I mean, they have that going for it, where it's brand new, so everything's working as it should. I will say these headlights are great. I actually drove a Red Sport for about an hour and a half in the dark, hour and a half one way in the dark, and I could see perfect. It was great. I loved it. These headlights are awesome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.